This right here.
Hey, what's up, everyone? We are backstage here at HHI's the 2015 World Hip Hop Dance Championships.
Check my swag, I write my Steve. Flies new, seen them doper than coding. Got too much money, I'm trying to OD. Do's what I does, I love to be me. Middle finger haters and the police. Moving through your block and the drop the top V. My trunk is shaking, Muhammad Ali.
I ngā tau e rua nei rā a tāmatiri mene sprout.
Last year we came in and no one knew us in the competition. We kind of came out of nowhere and took them all by surprise, taking that gold. Being a small country, there's not a lot, I guess, expected of us. So I think that's why we do succeed, and at the moment we definitely are at the top.
Back to back, gold medalist.
Give it up, come on!
Rose and Crips all got along. They probably got me down by the end of the song. Seems like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak.
And here we have two members from the Brothers. We've got Jackson and Gabe. Now, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Rad.
What's up, everyone? We just had a photo shoot for Russell Athletic. It's going to be the face of their new winter apparel drop.
Rad. Rad.
Do it for the Brothers. Who we gonna do it for? Do it for the Brothers. Who we gonna do it for? Do it for the Brothers. All right. Peace.